recognizing our Orange County Department of Education Classified Employees of the Year. So we can't do it without the backbone of our staff.
President Berryman, trustees, Dr. Pletka, Executive Cabinet, the Fullerton family, I'm honored tonight to present some amazing classified employees in the Fullerton School District. Each year, the Orange County Department of Education puts on a Classified Employee of the Year promotional opportunity and asks all of the school districts in Orange County to submit up to 9 different employees that essentially represent greatness and embody everything that a classified employee who serves students would. And every year we submit nominations. This year we had 1 in each of the 9 categories that went on. From there we even had 2 that were nominated by Orange County to go on to the statewide competition. So very, very amazing that we have 2 of the 9 from Orange County that will be moving on, but to have 9 that went this year is just a testament to the amazing work that our classified employees does. So if I can call them up here now, I have a little something I'll read. So if I can ask Jazmin Valtierra, Wesley Hatton, Amy Koerth, Danielle Avilez-Velis, Charles Bubba Bankston, Trish Behlings, Tracy Ordway, Gina Matz, and Mike Kimball come up. If y'all just want to stand in the front. A little something I'd like to read about each of you. So what happens is we get a submission from their department leadership, and so I'll read a little piece from each of the departments. If I can start with you, Miss Trish. Trish works in our IIS department, which is basically IT to the max. It involves innovation and instructional leadership. And she serves as the Information Systems Specialist 2 and oversees all of our CalPADS data submission. Her entire management team absolutely loves her. Her leader, Jeremy Davis, submitted this. What sets Trish apart is her unwavering dedication to consistency and excellence. Whether guiding a new staff member through their first reporting cycle or stepping in to address last-minute challenges, Trish is always ready to support her colleagues. Her commitment to fostering collaboration and ensuring the district's success makes her a truly deserving candidate for the Classified School Employee of the Year award. Trish has been here for 19 years. In the administrative services, Jazmin Valtierra. Jazmin works as the payroll specialist and was nominated by her leadership in the business services department, led by Damien Ibarra. Damien writes, Jazmin Valtierra is a natural leader within our department. She is intelligent, personable, compassionate, empathetic, and approachable, creating a welcoming environment that puts everyone at ease. Jazmin is the go-to person for questions, consistently seeking solutions, and offering assistance to the payroll techs when needed. As a patient and thorough trainer, she provides clear guidance to those who need it. Congratulations. Representing custodial and maintenance services, Wesley Hatton. Wesley is a day custodian 2 at Rolling Hills, was nominated by his leadership team. This was written by our interim maintenance director, Eddie Carbajal. What sets Wesley apart is not just his work ethic, but also his kindness and attentiveness to those around him. He regularly checks in with colleagues and students, fostering strong relationships and a supportive atmosphere. His dependability, humility, and dedication to making Rolling Hills a better place embody the spirit of service and excellence. Wesley's contributions leave a lasting impact, making him an invaluable member of the school and district. Thanks, Wesley. Representing the Health and Student Services, Amy Koerth. There's a theme at Rolling Hills here. Amy is a health assistant at Rolling Hills. Her ability to connect with students is truly remarkable. And forgive me, this is from Principal Lindy McNutt. Her ability to connect with students is truly remarkable. Some students even fabricate ailments just for the chance to visit the health office and experience Amy's warmth and kindness. She greets every interaction with patience, grace, and an unshakable belief that every student deserves respect and care. Her thoughtful and empathetic approach leaves a lasting impression on everyone she encounters, creating a nurturing and inclusive environment for all. Thank you, Amy. In county terms, paraprofessional, what we call instructional services. Danielle Avilez-Velis. Daniel is one of our lead instructional assistants for the after-school program at Acacia and was nominated by Vanessa Larios in that program. Daniel represents our program, his school, and the entire district with pride. His care and concern for the students are remarkable, and his nurturing personality allows him to develop wonderful relationships with the students that they will remember for their entire lives. On a daily basis, Daniel is directly impacting the lives of his students and their families, creating a safe place for them to come after school to be themselves and receive amazing enrichment opportunities. Thank you, Daniel. And Bubba's not here. Charles Bankston, otherwise known as Bubba. If you've been to Parks, you've seen him. Tall gentleman, long beard, kind of looks intimidating, but friendliest guy on the campus. Nominated by our risk director, Mari Montgomery. This is what she had to say. Bubba is a highly valued presence at Parks. Known for being a safe and approachable person for students, he mentors and connects with students, especially those who may feel overlooked, fostering a sense of belonging. Bubba actively supports after-school sports, cheering on students and encouraging their efforts. Recognized by staff, students, and parents alike, he is a stabilizing force on campus, consistently dedicated to ensuring Parks is a safe and welcoming environment for all. Congratulations, Bubba. And Tracy's not here, but Tracy Ordway from Nutrition Services. She is a food service assistant 3, essentially the kitchen lead at Ladera Vista Junior High. She's been with the district for 31 years. She was nominated by her management team led by Victor Trejo, their director. Tracy's contributions extend far beyond her role as a leader in nutrition services. She has made a significant impact on both the school and our department through her unwavering dedication to the students and staff at Ladera Vista. Her leadership fosters a strong sense of teamwork and trust among colleagues, and she is widely respected for her organizational skills, compassionate approach, and proactive problem solving. Staff members consistently describe Tracy as a true leader who is always ready to support others and ensure everything runs smoothly. Thank you, Tracy. Okay, and these last two deserve a little extra special recognition because Orange County selected them to move on to the statewide competition. So I can start with Miss Gina Matz. Gina loves the limelight. She's representing our skilled and journey level trades. Been with the district for 18 years as a painter in the maintenance department. Was nominated by her management team, and this was written by her supervisor, Eddie Carbajal. We cannot think of anyone more deserving of this honor than Gina. The minute you meet Gina, you feel motivated. Motivated to be a harder worker. Motivated to smile more. Motivated to help someone in need. She just inspires motivation in her entire persona. Gina's dedication to her craft shines brightly as she does every time she enters a school to take on a painting job. For Gina, it is more than just a job. It is an opportunity to make a learning or work environment better for the students and employees she is dedicated to. You do not see Gina have bad days. even for those days that might be defined as objectively bad by nearly the entire population. She just perseveres and finds joy and a greater meaning in her work. We in the Fullerton family are inspired by Gina, and we could not be more proud of her accomplishments as a professional and as an amazing human being. Thank you, Gina. And last but certainly not least, from our Transportation Services Department, Mr. Mike Kimball, Mechanic 2. Mike has been with the district for 31 years, was nominated by his director, J.D. Mancha. J.D. had this to say. We at the Fullerton School Districts are so proud to not only nominate Mike, but to see him advance to the state level of this prestigious award. Mike embodies what it means to be a Fullerton classified employee. We are a family, and Mike is like that amazing can-do-anything uncle in the family that can fix anything with wheels and would be willing to fix your own personal car if you drove it into the shop. No questions asked. Just don't tell HR at risk. He has built unwavering relationships with his coworkers, would do anything for his Fullerton family, and ultimately ensures our students are taken care of and safe to go to and from school, as well as our employees have safe vehicles and equipment to maintain our safe operations. Mike will never be one to highlight or promote himself. He just does his job and does it to the highest level with a smile on his face and joy in his heart for the students and employees he serves. It is our great honor that he represents us and Orange County. Thanks, Mike. 9 amazing employees and 9 even better human beings representing Fullerton School District at Orange County and the state of California. I am deeply honored that you're on our team.